I start by using the Elite Late Cream Concentrate as a moisturizer, and then I go in with the my School Setting Spray. Then I mist the face using the Morphe Setting Spray before I go in with the Too Faced Foundation on a skin. Now I'm just using a flat brush to push in the foundation onto our skin. So guys, I had limited time, that's why I had to film the my highlighting and contouring process offline, because we had other clients coming in as well. So I'm just setting a face using the Ben Nye setting powder and also Laura Mercier to set up face. Now I am contouring a nose, and the contour powder I'm using is from the Zaron Face Definer. It's like a 3-0. And now I move in to her brows, and I'm using the Bella Point brow pencil. I wanted a natural brows for today's look, like something extremely natural, so I'm just using the light shade from the Bella Point, I think it's called Mocha, to feather her brows and then create a light strokes. Time to highlight and define our brows, and the concealer I'm using today is Juvia's Place Concealer in number 12, and I'm using a flat brush for this process, just to enable me get into that brows and sharpen and perfect any mistake I might have made while outlining the brows. So I'm just blending every concealer into her skin, pushing the concealer. I'm basically tapping. As you can see, I'm not dragging the concealers. So now I'm adding Nubon Beauty concealer on her eyelid, just to create that perfect base for me. Today I won't be using any eyeshadow, so I'll just be setting her eyelid with powder, and that's all. I just wanted something clean, something fresh. I didn't want any eyeshadow today. I wanted the main focus of this look to be the wing liner and the neon liner as well. Time for the wing, and I'm using the Ingloss 77 gel liner today. You all know it's my favorite gel liner. And then again, I'm using this super flat brush. I started off by drawing it from the outer part of her eyes, drag it up, and then connected it before I will fill in parts of the I'm not filling parts of the space with the gel. Yeah, currently I'm filling in. So after filling part of it, I will not go in and then connect the line. I find this step really easy. So if you're struggling with applying your wing, I think you should try out this step. It would really help you master the act of drawing the wing liner. So it just depends on the wing you're going for, either a baby wing or something dramatic or something thin or something bold. It just depends on your preference. But sometimes, some days, you might have it in mind that you want to go for something slim, and then boom, something else. Now it's time for the neon liner, and I'm using a pigment, the matte neon pigment. I mixed it up with the NYX Jumbo pencil. That way it gave me it made it like I mixed them together. It now gave me this liquid not, it may look like my gel liner. Yeah. And now I'm just taking the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking the brown shade from the palette, smoking it under lower lash line. Nothing too dramatic, something subtle yet visible. And now time for the waterline, and I'm using the same Inglot gel liner that I initially used for the wing to apply it, and I'm also creating the wing effect in the cat's eye effect, sorry, in a tear dot, using Tao's Cosmetics Glow. And now time to mist the face, and I'm using the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Now I'm going in with the iMagic Lip Palette, Sculpt her lips. I'm basically outlining her lips, like using the lipstick as though it was a lip liner. Now the shade I'm using is the brown one before I go in with this dose of color lipstick, and then I'm going to blend both of them in using a blending brush. Now with this step I like to be very meticulous, so I take my time with it so I can be able to blend and blend and blend to get the perfect effect that I want. Normally, if you want to wear this lipstick, you can wear it like this if you don't like gloss, or if you feel you're okay with it this way. But personally, I decided to apply gloss, and the gloss I used today is by MAC. It has some flecks of glitters in it, and then it just took the lips to a whole different level for me. And voila, that's the finished look, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. You're already here, so why not subscribe? Give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what you like to see next on my channel. Until next time, guys, bye.